Alright guys, we're at Mecum auction in Kissimmee 2025. So we've got GTOs, we got a set of Camaros, some Corvettes, Volkswagens, street rods, all kinds of stuff going. If you want to watch the channel, please check out all the videos we're putting up. We're putting up a bunch of videos. We've got bidding numbers, trying to get some cars here, and just trying to show what's available. So give me a call. All right guys, thanks for, oh my god, my brain's... So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Beautiful white convertible GTO. 65 Pontiac Le Mans. Oh, it's a Le Mans, so it's a fake GTO. But it's just like my friend Johnny Fratrick, he had a red one. So they're nice.
That's like a special roof.
Some really nice Corvettes. Really nice Corvettes. Fuel injected 59 Chevy Impala convertible. Fuel injected. So it's an original fuel injected convertible. Very cool. 59. Sold new at Humphrey Motors in Indiana. There's another sweet Chevy. I believe this is an Impala, yep. This is a 59 Chevy Impala convertible. Ragtop right there. Some Corvettes. We've got a 442 over here. (1971) old 442 W30. So here's the W30 motor. The interior. Wood grain on the column, or on the console and on the dash. 8-track stereo system in there. Lincoln Zephyr Club Coupe, 1940. Lincoln Zephyr Club Coupe. Pretty cool. And this is a Cobra. 1969 Ford Torino Fastback. '69 Ford Torino Cobra Fastback, 428 V8. This was featured in the American Muscle Car calendar in 1998. K5 Blazer Custom. All right, got a couple first-gen Camaros here. Chevy Camaro Pace Car 67. Is this a real one? Yes, this is a rare 375 horsepower 67 Pace Car. So this is one of the real Pace Cars from 67. So I have a question for you guys who know Camaros and know restoration. This, in all the other real Pace cars that I've seen in 67, this was not a sticker, this was painted on. These are stickers. So is that a sticker? Should that be painted on? 68 Camaro Z28, original, 2,200 miles, 302. Black on black. 69 Camaro Pace Car, big block 396 4-speed. And a big block light blue 396 SS 68 Copo, special paint code. 150 to 175,000 for baby blue. Somebody put a special pay code in for a Copo, and there you go, that's what you get. They said this is a Pace Car edition, owned for 30 years, very original. See, 68 Chevy Camaro Z28 original, 20,439 miles. Camaro 69 Chevy Camaro OSSS rare liquid tire car. So what is a liquid tire car? Tire chain car, liquid tire chain car. I don't know what a liquid tire chain car is. If you know, put it down in the comments, guys. Pretty car. All right, guys, we're gonna continue on. So if you want to see more videos, please check out our channel, Junkyards and Barn Finds, and we will see you next time. Calling from Mecum Auto in Kissimmee, Florida, January. Enjoy. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.